This selfie stick tripod I have purchased from Amazon and the model number is MLSS009. The user manual have all the instructions and reminder. The price of this selfie stick is 999 rupees. The link you can find in the description box. The selfie stick tripod is compatible with smartphone and with the DSLR too. For me, this is the best compatible, handy and easy to carry setup for my vlogging and for my online tutorial as well. The collapsed length is 333 millimeters and its extended length is 1.6 meters. The selfie stick tripod bracket makes it stable and the actual weight is around 380 grams. And the major material are steels and ABS, which is a thermoplastic polymer that makes it durable. It comes with the Bluetooth connectivity and the product battery is replaceable. The product for me is worth, and if you have any suggestion, please share in the comment section. Hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.